Okay, it's July 29th, and we have a live video from Jim today. It's a really great video, and I just don't know what to say except that when you watch this video, you will probably have the same feelings as I have. I'm just gonna leave it to. I don't want to say anything to influence it. I'm gonna let the video speak for itself. Instead of me commenting in the midst of the video, I'm actually going to do a recap of this video because it's such a great learning tool. It covers so many things that happen to all of us in trading. To see it live unfold, by the tick is just really incredible. But it covers the gamut of emotions we all go through from trading. So I'm going to leave it to your own opinions to think whatever you want. I'm not going to say much to influence your opinion about this particular video. So let's have a look. It's quite a long video. I hope you'll watch it to its conclusion. It's well worth it.
Good morning, July 29th. So looking at the overnight action, there are a few levels here. And from what I can see now, if we start breaking 22, we will test kind of a 10 area, and the break below 10 should go down to 03. If we break 8003, then the next stop should be right 79.85, which was important number last week. Break of 79.85, then 79.55. So I will not be trading the open. I'm going to wait and see what's going to happen. All right, so we definitely broke. I chose a bit of a different template for the NASDAQ. This one is filtered by a 20-period SMA. And of course, the shorts are clicked, and we took a short here. Looking for a move lower now. Definitely looking to test 85, which should definitely hit at least my first target. And the possibility of breaking 85, which now looks very likely, should give us anywhere from 50 to 55. So yeah, another thing today, I increased my daily target. Randy, using my template, had his target at 750. So, well, I said, why not make mine 1200? Just for the fun of it. So this template has a daily target of 1200. I'll show it a bit later. Let me just manage this trade. Here we go. First target, looking good. Stop to break even plus a couple of ticks, and he was at 85. So far the 85 shows support, and yeah, if it continues to show support, I might not be interested in shorts anymore, but we'll see how this plays out. Nothing yet on a Russell. I mean, I have the long click there, but yes, let me just show you here. This is $1,200 target. I'm gonna attempt trading just one account, 3 contracts, to hit a $1,200 daily target. The Russell has longs clicked, and this one is filtered by the daily range, which is way way up there. So nothing on the Russell as of yet, and probably not for a while, if at all today. Just going to be working on this NASDAQ with a $1,200 daily target. All right, so got hit on my trail here. Got hit on my trail. Now gonna have to wait. Like I said, support of 85. I mean, this, for all I know, could be the low, but well, if we break 85, we will go about 30 points lower. And they're going to test it again. All right, I think I'm going to put this video on pause because I'm not going to take a short right into 85. So I'm just going to wait and resume the video once the market decides what it wants to do. Okay, I'm going to click longs actually, because if 85 does provide support, we are going to go higher. So longs are clicked, and as long as the moving average is blue and the precision trend is blue, a long trade is going to be taken. And here it is. We have a long trade. Yeah, that 85 is important. It could be support, but breaking 85 would mean much lower numbers, so I am careful. I like where my stop loss is. It really, if 85 is to be support, they really should not be testing it too much. There were a couple of tests there already, and I'm afraid if they're going to go there again, they're just going to break it. So we have first target right around 95. And yeah, I'm going to click shorts as well. You know what? I'm just going to let the Autotrader trade this, because like I said, this could go either way. 85 could be support, in which case no shorts are going to be taken because the moving average is going to be blue. On the other hand, if prices drop below 85, we're going to go substantially lower, so shorts will be fine. Just going to let the Autotrader trade this. That's what it does. Looking to hit first target at around 95.50 maybe. Very close. Very close. I guess it wasn't a 95.50. I should just enlarge this chart. I'm not going to trade the Russell for a while. Yeah, so I trade this particular template when I suspect a two-sided action. Even though you see daily filter over there, it's just there for me to look at. It is not acting as a filter on this template. So I can take longs even if I am below the daily filter. Now, if the precision trend, if the moving average is going to go bearish, and here we go. So see, the moving average went bearish, and so we took a short. And the beauty about this template, as you can see, the loss was a fairly small loss. Considering I'm trading 3 contracts, it was a really small loss. So now I'm just hoping it's not going to chop me. I am going to expect now another test of 85, and this is right where my first target is. There we go, racing toward 85, where my first target is. Here is the 85, crucial area is 85, and it's breaking it. And I am more than a third of the way there. I just needed to stay below 85. All right, so took me out on that trail over there, but I'm trying to think if and now they're going to break 85. That's a little annoying. This is the drawback of trading, of putting the stop too close. I mean, that's always the trade-off. That's always the trade-off. All right, gonna put the video on pause and look for the next trade. We're just 1/3 of the way there. So that obviously was premature. This long was premature. Okay, got stopped out. Still have long. Gonna click shorts here as well. Just gonna let the Autotrader trade this from this point on, because it is could be a very two-sided market. First target achieved. We have a trail stop and got taken out on the trail. All right, so more than 1/3 of the way there. Target 1200. Got a lot of work to do, and we already have been trading for 47 minutes. Looking now for a retracement. Precision trend now went red. Look for a turnaround for precision trend to go blue before the moving average turns red. You can bounce it to a little over 63. Here is the long. Alright, yeah, as long as 55 holds now, we're in good shape to definitely reach first target, probably second, and really looking to go all the way up to 85, at least 85. And there it is, first target, stop to break even plus a couple. The trail will kick in once we are 30 ticks in the money. It will start trailing by 10 ticks. And here we go. $344 away from the daily target, and now here is a short. Not too crazy about the short. Really, but you know, I did click both longs and shorts. There is a possibility of a short and then a possible, in other words, another retest of this 55, but at this point I am much more biased, I guess, towards seeing 85 and not 55. That was a quick one. So, moving average went long, precision trend was blue, and we took a and we took a long, and our first target is 75. I will definitely have to edit this video. It is extremely long. So we took a small loss on this short, but again, you see how small the loss is, just about $100, and the winners tend to be much bigger. Here we are, come on. Came close, not quiet. And all right, first target once again, and now less than $250 to go. The trail stop should kick in soon. Okay, trail stop kicked in, and now we are trailing by 10 ticks. I believe it's 10 ticks. Okay, continue to trail. Yeah, it is by 10 ticks. Let's see if I can hit that target before getting stopped out. In either case, I'll be really close to the daily goal of 1200. Nope, looks like we'll stop. Yeah, all right. So, but really close now. Less than 120 bucks to go. Wow, this is intense. Still the same account, still looking for 1200. $114 away. At this point, our long will be right around 80. Okay, now it's going to be around 79. Now, if price continues to go much lower, the moving average will turn red, and then there will not be a long. Then the Autotrader will be looking for a short, which I really do not want until I see a test of 85. Our long is now should be around 78. 78 and a quarter, 78.50, somewhere there. as soon as this bar closes up. Here is the long. Okay, and wow, that's it. That's it. 11.92 after commissions. Oh, one account, one chart, $1,200 target, 11.92 after commissions. Let's take a look again. $1,200 target and stop. And yeah, let's take a look how this day unfolded. It started off early, right around. Actually, I waited. I did not trade from the beginning. So that first trade was right around like 9:45 maybe, is when the first trade took place with the shorts. Then took a long too early. I should have waited till we hit the 50-55, but here we are, hit the 50-55 and just longs from there. A tiny loss on a short, which I really did not want to take, but that's all right. Very small loss, and then yeah, quick trade and target and 11.92.